the digital presence of a person online and even as a company online you have to be it depends on what you care about. If you care about what people think of you as a whole in your whole society, which I think people used to when there was no online presence, then the internet and the digital presence works really, really well. Because people are, I don't want to say cowards or anything else. Because people are using it negatively, it's starting to hurt the overall online presence of everyone, and so it's going in the bad direction. And I hope it corrects itself. It just doesn't look like it's going to correct itself anytime soon, especially when all these new media pieces are coming out that I can do things on different applications all the time, and they just keep jumping from app to app to app to app, and it's almost like we're creating this waterfall and constant waves of negativity. And I really hope that people start to take a better conscious look at themselves, and just like companies do typically, and just make the world better for everybody online. It's kind of scares me right now for my kids.